The God of all comfort comforts us in all our troubles so that we can comfort others. 2 Corinthians 1:3-4.
Welcome to this daily encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Comfort of God was written by Allison Kita and read by Rochelle Traub.
2 Corinthians chapter 1, verses 3-11. Praise be to the God and Father of our Lord Jesus Christ, the Father of compassion and the God of all comfort, who comforts us in all our troubles, so that we can comfort those in any trouble with the comfort we ourselves receive from God. For just as we share abundantly in the sufferings of Christ, so also our comfort abounds through Christ. If we are distressed, it is for your comfort and salvation. If we are comforted, it is for your comfort, which produces in you patient endurance of the same sufferings we suffer. And our hope for you is firm, because we know that just as you share in our sufferings, so also you share in our comfort. We do not want you to be uninformed, brothers and sisters, about the troubles we experienced in the province of Asia. We were under great pressure, far beyond our ability to endure, so that we despaired of life itself. Indeed, we felt we had received the sentence of death. But this happened that we might not rely on ourselves, but on God, who raises the dead. He has delivered us from such a deadly peril, and He will deliver us again. On Him we have set our hope that He will continue to deliver us, as you help us by your prayers. Then many will give thanks on our behalf for the gracious favor granted us in answer to the prayers of many. Comfort of God, written by Allison Kita. I couldn't wait. My husband and I had just returned from the grocery store, and as we unloaded the groceries, I frantically searched but couldn't find the donut bag. Then I checked the receipt. No donuts. Frustrated, I cried out, all I wanted from the store was a donut. 15 minutes later, my husband handed me a bag of donuts. He'd braved the snow again and snuck out to buy them. After squeezing him tightly, I sheepishly said, I'm glad you didn't get into an accident just to appease my craving. I don't usually get that worked up about a donut, but it had been an emotionally draining week, and so I sought solace in a donut, and I experienced a much deeper joy through the love and compassion of my husband. The kind of comfort we may get from satisfying our cravings is always short-lived. As the Apostle Paul shared with the Corinthians, true and lasting comfort comes from the God of all comfort. Paul understood his readers' deep struggles and needs. Like them, he faced daily trials, including persecution for his faith. And because God had comforted him, he was able to comfort them. When we're hurting, we can turn to Jesus, who abounds in compassion and comfort. There we find solace. And when we've experienced His comfort, we can extend it to others. Let's pray. Gracious God, thank you for being the source of our true comfort when life feels so heavy. Help us receive your compassion in our struggles and to share that same comfort with others. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. When and how have you been comforted by God? How might you comfort others experiencing a shared trial?
Abola ka tolo ko at tukor belau, ar other belau, emna modia ka siukang ar belau, katamlam ko dira siukang ar belau, tukor belau a klisi ela siukang ar belau, abola ka tukor belau, emla mada siukang ar belau, at tukor belau, a maleak belau, mar other belau a rokuil belura belul ad, mar other belul ad, Tokor belaw aklisi elaw do swela ngalaka lom daswel other belaw. Angalaka di ngalaka evyak lo denget tokor belaw mendi melokot tokor Amerikel amrail mo klow ngalaka mo klow ath el diakal arrung law do swel marangul mabadangel el other belaw. Klas kok la loban tarira ngalaka belaw milil matitulom tab omrelir marandira matigingirar other belaw. Angalaka ngalikirar other belaw. Evyak lolokot tokor belaw, avyak arrungel other belaw, at telula teliud, mabitanga belaw, mabitanga mrikel. Syugangar belaw, armid, la alsel ogim rak, el modar terrak, alakad masisi el dimelokot tokor belaw elang, rarangalak el domokroguretir. Abelaw independent terdogurit sel belu, elang el mong, menggirel belaw, el melokot tegingel, lolo olter ngili liakra rogul belura belul ad mar other belaw mati liakle ngod al other belul other rogir tokor belaw maliakra de suir marandir omrelir ar other belaw ra ar other ngod al belu ra rogul belura belul ad 1900 at tokor Amerikel otit at tokor Hawaii mangmada tokor Hawaii ra belura Hawaii elang ar other Hawaii elang o wularandir elang lulungak l other Hawaii evyak lolokot tekingir agwam Michael belura marialas mengwaisay ar other sabanyol am naragwam level dart madrangel al sel evel dart ar other sabanyol ngaragwam Michael rogul belura marialas uldimukra asaybal marota magwam at tokoira agwam amil tamal elang at tokoira guam mamarialas at talamal lura amal tokoira sabangyol mat tokoira at chamoro ay gel maral tokoira marialas at chamoro aririd enyam loriab es lura amal tokoira guam mat tokoira at sabangyol el ato wularandir ar adra guam mamarialas ma ahaway siyukang araguam ma ahaway am naramid lo banggel at tigingir Aulubong at tokor belaw sab erramidra al sel o kimerrak al modar terrak alla kadakargik kreel angar other belaw lo kiwa school madalang okl al malokot tokora a belaw al mora arangalaka al sugumar ngalkal domokoro uratir elang am lamu lombra amat tokora Amerikel mat tokor belaw kaltakatela tayo lombra amat tokoy ya tokor Amerikel mat tokor belaw yang alakal alongod adu yang mokokil maral mong el di mo tokor Amerikel alaw spe el mga adu en yarmid at tokor belaw ya tokor Amerikel otit at tokor belaw mendi imot tokor belaw al dali ay kir rokul tokor bolol ko ya di mo tokor Amerikel tiyaw alel yang matamal e mada al adu urangidid belu selame maklol belu lotit at tigingirarad omongalak evi molokot tokor bela rangal kemen mumukro tirrabe ka klubsey ablaya kotel skulo lis akla tokor belaw evirek molis akla rangal kapal kulat tokor belaw evirek molis akla molokot tokor belaw eldi tokor aku kolokot tokor belaw di lokot tokor belaw marolokot tokor Amerikel evirolokot tokor bel at Amerikel tokor belaw tokor Amerikel asab elo subra TV maskul endi belaw amal at tiporle kad molori vi adori dat tigingeth e kadam nam kodira asyukang nam kodir belaw tokor belaw loloko other belaw aklisi el asyukang makli belaw makadiliak belul dingod el diakar mowai kidra blul ad abola ka tokor belaw mlamada belaw mlamada ul deswir marandir ad arrungol other belaw other belaw diakal kirin marur mulkot tokor belaw rasekat malubet tangara on dibel malubal al ngarase do mentri atarangod al belu tokora Amerikel am sisi aklisi el tokora los pernya belu other rogir alla kad karikik el angar other belaw ya al sel okim rakal modar terrak ya tokora Amerikel am lam kodira syukangar belaw em nakitit at tokor belaw abelaw am lemolem diliak belura rogul belura blulad matikingel masyukang arngi mangiliak rogul belu mar adra blulad dakaling seul beklad Umomakarural ngalak umolis akral ngalak malolo molum belaw di belaw dia kalamat loki watikingel.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palauan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations, safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian, CYBER19 @gmail.com.
Tia subda ngal keiri o giraget a ogio baltingring oreng rabud o mabogade el besrak al mararul adra qabli raidid ma or adra orior akngutial ti alem subra qol bilung gloria chi sali marogilo rotra qabli raidid raklo tutel meeting rigid el momsada bebira maklo balgul ngaraled aru rotra qabli raidid tial meeting amorngira Thursday January 15 2026 ra 6 p.m. rabli ngana tapsay rablur orior kom mal musolang edid ai ratemela meeting rigid trigel modega sabir المينا ميتين أنتيال المولدوبة أي المصوادلة المتيب راتيملا ميتين أروباقل ديوس لمقل تنغاتر جدروغوي سان كيري أو جناجيث.
This is a public notice from the Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply chemistry analyzer Vitro's XT7600 reagents for the ROP. Specifications for needed items will be available after January 22nd, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Charnel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division, at the address noted. Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940. Phone number 680-767-2552. Fax 680-767-1016 or email charnels@palaugov.org. This is funded by Local Account Hospital Trust Fund and U.S. federal grants. Invitation for bid number IFB 06-26. Public notice is January 7th, 2026 to January 22nd, 2026. Bidding period is January 23rd, 2026 to February 9th, 2026. Opening date is February 11th, 2026. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to the Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on February 9th, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it deemed necessary.
Notice regarding land known as El Badel, located in Ngasias Hamlet, Peleliu State, depicted as cadastral lot number 032R17, as shown on cadastral plat number 032R00. Notice is hereby given that the children of Yasko Rudim, represented by Ivan Rudim, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from children of Yasko Rudim, represented by Ivan Rudim, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any children of Yasko Rudim who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than February 13, 2026, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Subdel girela utumen klela welvedel, el ngarangasias rablurablilio, el gadastral lat number 032R17, Asubda Murabuel Kma Children of Yaskorudim, represented by Ivan Rudim, Amnaruli until Moltov the certificate of title Girel Tian Namsa Babel Utuma, El Mora Palauan National Government. Ababier Girel Teloy de la Utuma, Land Conveyance Agreement, Angaringir Obisra Len Gort, El Sebela Ngidil Adel Mo Mesringi, Al Tsum Mangaryang Al Gela Yaskorudim, El Soalom Togor Teloy de la Utuma, Ekmal Girel File or Tangel El Mor Obisra Len Gort, El Diabol Meudra February 13, 2026. Level Meuder Tial Time en Sabel Selul Tangel Modigalorior. Sign Rosemary Scabong Senior Judge. Tiagadebel subd rasa arela dangalay bala ubari. Tiagadebel subd rol top dringi arbadura tabla Willard Gumangay, Medrang Johannes Ting, Ngira Armal Justin Ging, Michael Bloda, Pastor da Chor Gumangay, Kultnguler Abay Uduy, Ngira Tolok Silas Kingsyo, Delegate Pleso Adargoroy, Maongirung Gambes Kasole, El Subdrabek Latmam Ngaray Galbelu Low Ice, El Kumatargidra dangalay bala ubari am los mer sila January 5, 2026. Mang Lamotrok Latemel Gamaldile Ngalmasan Morgia January 22, 2026. El Dimum Gamaldira Funeral Home. Magyolngit madgas pasub del beklad ya mangal subda amatobdruriulo. Sain Bradley Gumangay. Subdra Godal. Tia Subdra Godal ol tobdringa alo Jackson Aringirangas, Mangalil Alex Aringirangas, Dil Sapsis Anita Ngirangas Igertang, Idabay Olsing Igar, Bingkalang Ulas, Kadwin Ito, Legislator Umdi Bridev, Alen Susugin, Subdra Rokul Adra Gablira Alsaw, Madgaw Adal Ngarababal Daw, Orior Mayol Daw, Matargid Rabuik Pelau, Bong Girangasil, Amlokong al Muramalu Nguller, Sela December 19, 2025. Abadingil Garubak ang Ramorgia Kamaldi, El Dadu, Amlamotrok, Kolma Friday, January 16, 2026. El di Morgina Santos por half funeral home el Mosuel, Bematob del Modak Rangaptur ng Rusar, Rablu Ray. Malwaisa subda Mararokul ngal Garagel Tulungal Garagablir Alsaw, Malo at Jackson Ngirangas, Amasub Dargaul Manglil Alex Ngirangas, Madil Aboil Helen Ngirangas O'Neill, Mosub Dararokul ngal Garatulungal Garaboil, Mogom Koltmokla, El Girel Telgamaldil, El Dadur Targid Rabuik Pelau, Bongirangsil. Asub da diri galmarakul ngal garatulungal garatamako mabom kaltmok lemeim da alim edang isir tel gamaldil el tadu ratargid rabuik pelau bungirangsil mangangan ngalgel amne dil sepsis kalbid rideb kaspesub de meim ngang iseu mangalgel amne dil sepsis gadalad ito ngalgel amle lo amal iyang rideb ngalgel amle mangalil ngirangalit la rideb ngalgel asiway rideb Rangalgila del bot ba qabol marangalgila dil boy susugi kaspusu del mail beklaad mada alim de sa tel gamaldil el dadu rangal targid rabuik pelau bungirasil Dios isul sub da mararukul ngal garatlungal grawel raqablir alsaw mamgas pusu da meim da alim da gangseu el qutmakli tel gamaldil el dadu rabuik pelau bungirasil el mloqdon rarubagal marqamal lungul mangania bingalau las marbibirgaw legislator mdib ridep maidalad erigomal iyang marbibirgamiu kelli ridep marbibirgaw chenis ridep marbibirgaw Oliong Irangasteu, Marbibirgaw, Irbay Olsing Igar, Marbibirgaw, Alen Susugi, Marbibirgaw, Kaspesub de Rogul Ngal, Rawel, Emeim de Satel Gamaldil, El Dadur Ngal Targid, Rabuik Pelau, Bungirangasil, Moraulbonglo. Ngaralong Agim Subra Ibdurale, Robert Tutim, Ebirale, Maria Rura, Mosubra Adad Mangal, Rale, Meim da Alim, the Gangisel, Mesatel Gamaldil, El Dadur Targid, Rabuik Pelau, Bungirangasil. Maram nung wagim subdra ngira dilub at tami irmang saw junior mau elbi lilo lang ramang saw mo subdra adad marangal gimayim da alim da kang isir tel ngamaldi lel dadu ora targid rabuik pelau bungirang sil ngat pangagim subdra amanya amsyol marbibir gaw mayim da kang isew ni wala gyol turgal wadal adruyos modestang rasway malemea warriors eliot uduy migumang isew Agidri kalol turkar bebi rarut ngirmang malmeim gumaging sewol mesat tial kamaldi le dadu ora targid rabuik pelau bungirang sil moraw lubong le Agidri kalam subdra ngal gila sisuwer ngamsing rangir blei isak sakuray ngira sokos cherom sakuray anselma sakuray chila ngamsing madominik ramsik Mail beklaad madalim midaging sewol mesat tial kamaldi le dadu ora ngal targid rabuik pelau bungirang sil moraw lubong le Dios isul subda mara Mercy James may gaw marangal ke madalim midaging sew Togobet sa subda mara ngal gen lam nedil u ermang ngirios mangaringya ang askasuk Abraham ngirios mo subda bebir gaw may da alim da ging sew al sumet ngaringya mlodi al mudong clear ti al sub de la gabal kitarang miu e may da ging sew ti al bulo komal masauli a Dios lum kal tanga tergidro guy rabe kalsils sign lo Jackson ngirangas O si siulsub dragodal loltob dengan ngirible isak sakura manginasokos cherom sakura ilgire lagamal dili la targid rabuik pelaw bungirang sil ngal targid am los me ersir ongim lurior Friday December 19 2025 mabangin lang aramor kaya temi lagamal dili lam lamotrokok lang motob ongim lurior Friday ilngia January 16 2026 la funeral home in chapel mga maldil moswel matedob at 12:30 PM mamadak krang aptur ng rosar rablu rairay Makiulingit tarbek kaladama may makaing sel gut makli tialulbong al-tsungul kaltargid rabuik pelaw bungirang sil el dibusira dalongaled. Magim subdara adamam nakabli rangar madalyang makmasubdara at pos maluat talay Miss Antonio Bell sa alid adong Pedro Mereb atawa Brands talay Mother Olo Vice President Arnold Oilo Ebilt at pos Bisanta Kalu ma dil sa Miss Susana Matsuoka. Mosub darbek ladad marangal kami mosoma mertial ulmong sil serang altargid rabuik pelaw bungirang sil. O si sul spedal ang inablay isak sakura manginasokos chirom sakuray. Amor oda raybay Harrington Olebu iadra apsang Steven Kanay ong elol Salvador Remote resyong may nginamdalabay Hari Bisep sa marangal gila sanang silmay. Mosub darbek ladad marangal kami makangisew ertial kamaldilel ng altargid rabuik pelaw bungirang sil. Usisul subdra kodal el adamam rabarrak magim subdra gaw libudura barrak Florencio Yamada mo subdra ada de may mo ma mertial bul usisul subdra kodal la mor adamam ragabli ragid magim subdra ngi ragid el choginamur madi ragid el martaginamur no subdra bek ada de may ngin sel gutmok el tialul mong el sungul ngaltargid rabik pelaw bung nginasil O si Sul Spedal ang inablay isak sakura manginasokos chirom sakuray amorarmar ka tamir mangsaw junior musub darbek kaladad ratolong may nakaingisew ulutmok la el tialul lulbong el sungul ngal tarigid. Ako si Sul Spedal ang inablay isak sakura manginasokos chirom sakuray amorarang ligilam ni dil sepsis madalat ito matulik obak ramiun silchak kingsang musub darbek kaladagaw ad marangal may nakaingisew tel kamaldil. O si Sul Subdra ko dali labuik pelaw bungirang sila maradil tap Carmen Gip marangal gelang ngirut o dal ada Gimi Anderson marbibiringi Marcela Santos ngiramuay Adelino Santos rangal lagi gawi Marudi Aitaro iliak pada marangal karabla Amrigel ngirirs subdar kaol ngikleb albons kumangay turang maad laligi bon sa madabdeb ko France sa maltalat kabulwong Mosubdar adadar ngirir sa mosukma mertial ulubong at sungungal targid rabuik pelaw bungirang asil. O si Sul Spedal ang inablay isak sakura manginasokos chirom sakura amortigal bebir kamame o lingit may imnakangisiyor tilakamul dili labuik pelaw bungirang asil. Magim subdar ngalgel events kabukol radasomel Tony Adalbay mangalgel yuchin kabukol marbibiringi maaldukul kabukol marbibiringi. May imnakangisiyor tilulbong alsil siranggal targid al dibusira ng led. Klamangatela subda uul matrigel adamam no diagal dung clear agyo lingit malakabol makitarang miu may imnakangisiyor kut makli tilulbong al sungungal targid rabuik pelaw bungirang asil. Yabola katsab mek maldingil pasul edit kalat krang lungu. O mal masulang nga rubakal Diyos ulolmol mlamukal tanga targid rokoy. Sa na ngilasokos chirom sakuray. Ma o si Sul Subdra kamaldila lotto niya adro roy bostor ramlig adri bukol kyo ni saal mga kasuk Abraham Girios el Subdra rokul adril nga nababaldab orior mayoldab rakamaldila labong nginangasil lamot rokok kolmor nga aturi melon mlapsingil ako telbuil raong himlurior January 16, 2026 Tial kamaldila di moringina Santos por half funeral home nga ngat kibrayray. Mangdi kamaldila el dadu radio si Siul Sils. Matriga robak malolngit rarogol edrir malgas pasub del gidel tial masang. Ato kobet sel subda maratulungal romisao la belilyo mangayaw rakabli rakargur rablu rablilyo. Madaw mal masulang yedo sulolmon labanggede lo makaltanga tergid rabekal Sils. Sain adar koroy postor ramlig ngas kasuk Abraham Girios may adribu kol kyo ni saal. Tia subdra kodal loltob nga oligong Lucio Hidemi, risong Denis Rangul matalto gawi, almurarangal kamar adra kabli rabadal rablu ng rusar rayray. Rasare labuik pelaw buik bungirasil, abdingil ngal rubak ang ramor game lamotrok la kamaldili el dado ulmorngina Friday January 16, 2026, el di morngina Santos por Chapel and funeral home nga natkip rablu rayray. Mga maldin moswel betob del mamadak rangaptu ang rusar rayray. Bagim subdra ragul edmam marangal rakabli na badal mayim da alim da kayong sir tel mamulbong at sungulang karubak. Mga rusara gim subdra adil malaala rose musubda musubdra at marangal badal ertial albula. Agidrigal musubdra adil oligong Terry aledo nginaingas marangal gel Siska aledo Alfonso marangal gel Y Hidemi marangal gel Madoris aledo marangal gel la agigobong musubdra rangal ngertimig ertel albula agi dire kalm sudra every song Scott alto marangal game ertel albula agi dire kalm sudra ngalgi laqawit alto ra Captain Arvin Raymond mo sudra bir kami may mdakangi ertel albula agi dire kalm sudra kaltal alba ngiratebel marangal game may mdakangi ertel albula ram lunguyen dire kalo sisil sudra qadalle aldado agi sudra qarungu rabrem oitro maro batie yalap mo sudra ad marangal qarabli raselaw may mo sumam Maklo atret mabola kal sebe melmei edit galat kang lungu yarubak kal dios lo bangedel rabek kal silse tias pedila kamal dili al dadu rabuik pelau bungirang sil el morngina January 16 2025 el morngina Santos Porha Chapel and Funeral Home el ngarablur ngat kibrai kom malm sulang ya dios lo bangedel rogui sain oligong Lucio Hidemi Tia subra kodal todringa runguram owang al William ngiray galaw mas pesung al masaw vedor al kumawik pelau bong ngirang asil ang algilatal dil mangasil amlos me ersera December 19, 2025. Mula motrok kul morngia kamal dilel at January 16, 2026. Di morngia funeral home nga nangat kibra blue ray ra 9 a.m. lumo 12:30 p.m. Eto del mamadak karang aptu ra blue ray. Magim sudra at mamam regal blue kumamay makaing sirtel albulo. Mangaram lungway gim sudra sisinya ngiray galaw, Rosania ngiray galaw, Kolbas ngiray galaw, Yolsaw ngiray galaw, Samil Biao, Itwang Ongos, Gloria ngiray galaw, Rumaruy, Mamatsuda ngiray galaw. Akdire kalm sobra Jackson ngir ongor maurig itpig. Edire kalm sobra Dilyaur France Oleaw. Inam kati France marangal gelangit of France Dewid. Et mamakas pasod ay may nakaing sirte albula. Nga karunguram awang William ngiray galaw mas pasod ng masaw vedor. Am sobra rangal gelaw of Okyota. Mamakas pasod kami marangal gelaw may nakaing sirte albula. Agidire kalm sobra ilong uduil. Mamasobra rangal gem marangal gid. E may nakaing sirte albula. Agidire kalm sobra rangal gelaw yosi itpig. May nakaing sew. Akdire kalm sobra skang matchesi modeth marbebil kamiu may nakaing sew. Akdire kalm sobra ngalgila ya masagiringila melmay mga sukara kartial kamal dile lang ngalgila tal dil rabong inangasil. Akdire kalm sobra ngura bremel kumo sobra ngalgarasela may nakaing sew. Ibaba kim sobra losi ol karilya may nakaing sirtel bul. Ay maliga kim sobra ngulbay madir ngulbay sariang bat ka rangel Simon Derbay. Elith susugi rangol adir rangel tina alwel senanya mamis Hailey iri Matilde iri Isak. Masubra adat mangal gamay nakaing sirtel bul. Ay rayak masubra ay adar telwang Simeon Oberdong ebiledil gatsuwe Oberdong toyo ko singeo rumi singeo klay mo elchas shalom et pisong. Masubra rokul adat mangal gedra ise may nakaing sirtel bul. Aktiri kalm subra yo al toribyong maodal ra helen moded mo masubra bibir kami may nakaing sirtel bul. Agidiri kalm subra harwa wilter ertel albul. Oriore yak masubra tigal admam ngani adar may Eliayob o elbir ragom resena azuma rangalgela erigayob may nakaing sew. Senator Rukbay kikuo inabo masubra bir kami may nakaing sew. Rangalgela anatanyo kikuo may nakaing sew. Dil mala Rose Masud, Remus ngirmaat, Ramona inalul, Maluis ngirmaat, Muns Orior, nga kalspasungol masawo bedor amsud, rangalgila ay de bins, rangalgila olblay bins, rangalgila bedor bins, marangalgila sa armidal bins. Masubra bibir kami marangalgila may nakaing sirte albul. Paliliwak masubra balang ulang wong mabalitang yu itsingewo, masubra rangalgila may nakaing sirte albul. Yatong obat sa spadek nga kanungura mawang William ngiray galaw, amurar at mamratyo la de dalil at kumamayim na mga sukmam, artel kamal dilil at targid rabu ikpelaw pong ngirang asil, madakumal masulang, ikmal bato nga masang, material at mamam no di akal sabi ilme, akmal diwngil basul, edit kalat karang lungu. Ya Dios lo mkaltang at targid rokoy. Sain arungura mawang William ngiray galaw. Tia subdro tobdringa rangem Sebastian Andreas, Delegat Sebastian Marino, ngir oteot Eliaya, yat spons tagada mangir bangal la Benjamin Adelbay. El musubdro kamil gaw adal ngalgila de dalil, rangal regal belur babaldab, orior mayoldab, rakamal dili labuik pelaw bungirang asil. Mula mosme rakamal dil maaldado adi moringir Palauan Funeral Home and Chapel, el ngarngat kip Hamlet rablu ray. January 16, 2026, el Friday long imlurior. Makamaldil omur at tutar na indori emel motelial sil sa 12:30 p.m. Piyabdingil at top de emomadak rangat tu el ngarang rusar rabluguray. Agik malulungit el kumamay mpodadag edang suturi rangaligel marbebi rengi tel kamaldil el maaldadu. Ndiya kangaliok maalul magardi mokult mokol gilil kamaldil maaldadu. Mangalong agim subra siskable so klol ad marangalgem. Rangalgel amni adalbara kayong ngir amat rolir adwait ngir amat maodam ra uldak ngir amat nginamtukur marbebi kamiu. Rangalgel marbibir amleng na ureg da Tobias akwon mosub kaspasub de meim nakaing sirtel albula. Mangiwala gim subra eldix no way doong kaspasub lo ad ibluk truman ngirmang molingit rangnges subrangal karaw espay sereng tulob wasisang marudam na Justino Masaksay maantiro boysek smi Juana Nestor marbibir nakaw kaspasub de meim nakaing sirtel albula. Ngesara gimsub da rangalgela makarti kortaro, meluis ngirmaat, kaspuso de medakaing surti albul. Ayra gimsub da rangalgela ngiriklang taryong, sa awas makayong, kaspuso de medakaing surti albul. Rangalgela daladra ira alsali adalbay, kaspuso de lo ade medakaing surti albul. Rangalgela mlengin agad romat matul raro at agi, mluert matul, mar iwang welt matul, kaspuso de lo ade medakaing surti albul. Rangalgelam ni other talwang Baules along ra Senate President Hokons Baules, mungkas pusob dalo ade may nakaing isorti albula. Ebida klay modet Baules marangalgel, rangalgel laki karel dil gigi anson, niraget Robert ngirab logong marbibiringi, Cleo ngirgiklang kang its, former President Chanson Toribong, Spice Valentino ngirgiklang, rangalgelam neya o Daniel ngirokabay, Buik Spice Chairman Daniel, Rachel Katamangang marangalgel, rangalgela Pastor Mukogil Solomon, rangalgel Rabo Oraidong Yoel Toribong, o bakaladapkar Clarence Kitalong, Mary Goldiob, akikarel Adib Timothy Ngirdimaw, Dira Maring Alidub Siksay marangalgel, Dira ay tinagiulul, padul melwat talay marangalgeb, tulay sa baltakada. Ngaramlungoy akiol ngit rakawal ngirasibong lakis malsol, maudam ramayreng malsol, mkas puso de may nakaing iseurti albul. Rangalgela rakit sulyal, rungura mawang William ginagalaw marbibinakaw, rangalgela France ginamkatira dilyaw manginamkati France, mkas puso de may nakaing iseurti albul. Kat pangagim subdra rideb o kadati itong mkas puso de ade may nakaing isew. Rigel rablud marangalgem, ening klolad marangalgem, hasintang itong marbibinakaw, rangalgela mlew eldigis alad rablud, malin si ngiru marang ang iraged marangalgem, mkas puso de adad marangalgem may nakaing iseurti albul. Ay maliga gel turor kalo kalaw sermong marmar katamin mga South Junior, bigimol turor kami el merigel kwal mga sumam. Orior ay gimsub dara wadal adang kami Anderson marangalgel, rayong al Benjamin yob, ading Elius Moses yob, isaw ng mga saw kami itatong madilmer ng algem maging kanyang seorti albula. Aleos yaw, kadilikan mi itatong madilmer ng algem maging kanyang seorti albula. Dilwang amra e Baules, wadal at tutog nilan mau marbibirakaw, adal barang atibang Ephraim ngira ite, moso dara bibirakaw, Teodosia yu Patrick, Josephine ulang ong iraboy, mkas pusub dara ade may kanyang seorti albula. Serafina de belbot sa ato marangalgem, rangalgela aleduy omaliak, mkas pusub de may nakaing isew. Sariang Ola Warswick marangalgel, rangalgel Orange Pedro, Sarah Conway Sketh, rangalgel Sunday Ilek, ang kaspusubdro ade may nakaing isew tial bulo. Rangalgel amli daladra ilong isaw, malin sa to marangalgem, Deborah Toribiong, Rodiang Toribiong Smus, Nanumi Toribiong, Chewin Wirmas, Rosemary Joseph, Marie Ray Blunt, rangalgel Tiana Talay Rubas, rangalgel Hasimet Talay, rangalgel Carmelong Ralul Radeliget Manggor marbibira kamiw, rangalgel Arium Donaruli baka ang hinino, pero ni kang iraibay ma Fermin na isida, Sheila sa kumamar bibirikaw, Apolonia Siprit Augustin, kaspusod dalo ademay nakang iserti albul. Rangalgel Hiromir Dial, rangalgel Katsue Sali Kaldung Juanita Obiang marbibirikaw, Rosang Kyosi Andrew, kaspusod dalo ademay nakang iserti albul. Tirat ngir Rose Musub, the Speaker of our State Legislature, Elsa Owas, marangalgiw, Ngira Mariang Alexander Ramsik marangalgel, Alexis Ramsik marangalgel, Pastor Balgo Sandario, ngira Oteot Eliaya o marabibirakaw, rangalgelam nirungu Luel o Ips Armidal, William Siprit marabibirakaw, Raymus ngir maat, am kaspuso the maim nakang iserti albul. Paliliwag imsub rangalgel lakalibra ko seba, mainaria, maradad radidalil, rangalgelam Luel lool lakaiting madris, am kaspuso radad the maim nakang iserti albul. Tirgel mlodi kalobas ang clear madingel mokakawaad, irong si tial sudra kamaldilel, maalda adu ara buik pelaw bungirang asil, kas pusude may mga sutri rangalgel marbibiringir tial ulbong al sungul. Makamaldil maalda adu adi morngir Friday long imluriol January 16, 2026, lomu ra 9:30 AM e aboldo la todra 12:30 PM el mudakkar ngaptu ngarang rusar ablu ray. Ao mungul maklapkal modang sa muradamad al Dios, el ngi o makaltangat ya masba kargidra bekalsils. Kumal musulang, saya na iat spoons takada.
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi, adiagal spedel, matiagal tigingel, malub engul de suela Dias Broadcasting Company, tiang aspedirar adlul top dengi e haraorngi, kohmal musulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello Palau, this is Dias Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
Tired of that city life? Looking for a place that's quiet at night? Well, look no further. Dia's apartments are now for rent. 1 and 2 bedrooms are available in the safety and security of the Hilltop in Gurmid, located on the outskirts of Orior. Call 488-5771 to schedule a viewing today.
Diaz Apartment, the right place for you. WWFM is owned and operated by Diaz Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermid Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 megahertz and 89.5 megahertz 24/7. With a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter, WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. Ali, ngariya malor udu subde de hatte memel mun mera radio station. Mada gulngit ma may gim nasukaw. Makot, egdilu si aspren, eloya a cellphone mal open den wargaw. Eo aisen muk mungomur o ingrang e momrekor o ingrang. Etelat times ratal si, sesayan ringi, esen ringil either moya ka fax, mora 488-4420. Malub ke sender ngi loya ka email en mora www.fmpalau@gmail.com. Ega mama recorder ngi erulia invoice e sender ngi le porkau e auriul ega me harau. Ali malia moves loya de wargau le chospe ngi elo aisergau mal oba ngania harma raspedem e aki call seguir the number e mga do urgarau era ki bomre kimru raspedem ko man sulang. Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in Diaz Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube.
I seen it. What do you mean I seen it? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number one. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number one. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island Beer. Asahi Super Dry. Number one.
Looking for Palauan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
The president's bullish on the U.S. economy. Lisa Brady, Fox News, as he takes his agenda on the road to a battleground state.
President Trump's message in Michigan.
Our growth is through the roof.
Telling the Detroit Economic Club that America experienced its fastest economic turnaround in history.
We're through 11 months. We've got $18 trillion being invested in our country. The most of any country ever was 3.
Pushing more manufacturing than jobs, with the Bureau of Labor Statistics saying inflation stayed relatively steady at above 2% in December.
Fox's Jeff Manasso. The president says plans to make health care and housing more affordable are coming soon. Democrats in Congress have said he's making things less affordable. During that speech, the president also sending a message to anti-regime protesters in Iran, calling them patriots and telling them to keep protesting.
Then I've canceled all meetings with the Iranian officials until the senseless killing of protesters stops. And all I say to them is help is on its way. You saw that I put tariffs on anybody doing business with Iran.
Activists are reporting more than 2,000 protesters protesters killed and government crackdowns on demonstrators, the Europeans and Israelis also monitoring that situation closely. More than 3 hours of arguments at the U.S. Supreme Court over bans in 2 states on transgender athletes in women's sports. A West Virginia case focusing on Title IX protections.
Do you think sex in Title IX can reasonably be interpreted to allow different states to take different understandings of that in their sports leagues?
I do.
ACLU attorney Joshua Block telling Justice Brett Kavanaugh,
I don't think the purpose of Title IX is to have an accurate definition of sex.
An Idaho case centers around the Constitution's Equal Protection Clause. An attorney for a trans athlete arguing her client mitigated any advantage over athletes born female by suppressing testosterone. Stocks finished lower, the Dow down 398 at the bell. America is listening to Fox News. As the Supreme Court takes up transgender sports bans, several Democratic attorneys general are suing the federal government over threats to hold back funding to states supporting transgender services.
The states involved say the Department of Health and Human Services is putting conditions on billions of dollars in funding. The plaintiffs allege new HHS policy requires certified compliance with a presidential executive order they say defines gender in ways that marginalize transgender people. New York Attorney General Letitia James accuses the federal government of forcing states to choose between their values and vital federal dollars. Rhode Island AG Peter Nerona said he believes the HHS policy aims to bully states into compliance.
Fox's Gernal Scott, the plaintiffs want that policy declared unlawful. Champion snowboarder Chloe Kim just confirming she's good to go for the Olympics, despite a recent shoulder injury during training, though noting she's disappointed she can't snowboard now until right before next month's Winter Games in Italy. Pittsburgh Steelers coach Mike Tomlin is stepping down after 19 winning seasons, but a losing streak in playoff games.
In a statement, Steelers president Art Rooney II said in part, quote, "Obviously, I am extremely grateful to Mike for all the hard work, dedication, and success we have shared over the last 19 years. It is hard for me to put into words the level of respect and appreciation I have for Coach Tomlin." Tomlin, who has 2 years remaining on his contract, informed Steelers players of his decision less than 24 hours after Pittsburgh's season came to an end in the wild card round against the Texans. Tomlin led the Steelers to a Super Bowl championship, 8 AFC North titles, and 13 playoff appearances. Joe Morgan, Fox News.
Recapping a down day on Wall Street, the Dow dropping 398 points, but still over 49K. The S&P also retreating from its record, down 13 points. The NASDAQ down 24. I'm Lisa Brady. This is Fox News.